Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a portfolio on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete an entire portfolio because you no longer use it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on your portfolio on the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll up and next to where it says portfolio singles, click on where it says the name. So it's going to show you a list of all your portfolios here. In order to delete a portfolio, click on the trash icon next to the portfolio that you want to delete. Then you're going to go ahead and get a confirm window. So we're going to go ahead and delete the portfolio for DR. Click on delete portfolio and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a portfolio on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.